Hello students, welcome back to AriserTalent. I am your maths teacher Arpita Sharma and we are studying our first chapter of class 9, which is number system. Okay, so starting with writing the name of our chapter, which is number system, right students? So we have talked about the number line, the numbers, set of numbers, then we have talked about the rational and irrational numbers. We talked about having digits between two numbers, whether it be rational or irrational, and then we were looking for the number line, how to represent a number on number line. Okay, so representing real numbers on the number line, process of successive magnification. What is this magnification? Magnification, that means, okay, I am drawing something here. Okay, what I have drawn, you might see, maybe you are able to see or maybe not, but if I just magnify this particular thing with a magnifying glass, or if you can zoom it, then by zooming it you can see that I have made a circle, and after that 1, 2, 3, 4 I have made these 4 lines here. Okay, and then I have made these 2 lines here. Okay, this you can see here also. Now, the remaining part is I have made a flower here. Now you can see this flower. You cannot see it here, but now this is very visible to you guys. Now I wrote this plus sign here, minus sign here, and a point here. And there is also another line here. So this is the exact figure I have drawn here, but you are not here able to recognize it very well. Right, but here you can recognize it very well. You have seen this by magnifying it. So magnification means when you just enlarge that particular figure to this one, the same one, okay, and this is I am talking about a particular figure, but we are basically going to talk about a line. This is our number line, okay. Should I rub this thing, because this thing has done its work. Okay, now this is the line and this is where 0 lies. So here I will be having this 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and so on. Now I will tell you to just find out where the value is 1 by 2. You will be telling me, madam, this is very so simple, we are having this 0 here, 1 here, and exact midpoint of it, maybe this. So exact midpoint of it will be considered as 1 by 2. Now I will be telling you that, tell me where is 0.6. Now the picture walks in that I am having this 0 and 1. So magnification process is here. So I will be having this 0, 1, I will expand this, the number line. Now this is 0 and this is 1. Now this scale, how will it become? Okay, this scale will have, this particular margin will have from 0 to 1 will have 10 partitions, student. How many? 10 partitions, okay. So the mid one is here, okay. Now there will be 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5th one is here, then 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, and the 10th one is here. How will that work? It is 0, so there will be point here and 1, then 0.2, then 0.3, then 0.5, 0.6, 0, this is 5, okay, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9, and 1.0, that means 1, okay. Separate them so that you will not be confused. So this is from 0 to 1. Now what I am talking about, 0.6. So you will be saying, ma'am, this is 0.6 here. So the number will lie on this point on number line, 0.6 will lie on this line. Now I will be having this 0.625 to be drawn. So what will be the procedure? This procedure will expand itself and there will be another magnification there and then will be another magnification here and then you will get the answer. The answer. Okay. Now note this and then I am going to remove it. So this was the very basic idea, students. Now what we are going to do? We will see the next question or the example for the same, and that's your example. You have to draw 2.665 on this number line. Okay. I am having this 0 here, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 minus. Okay. Now this 2.665, that means the number is 2.665. In the other words, I can say it is greater than 2 and it is less than 3. So the number will lie between 2 and 3. Now I will magnify this particular okay, and here it come again the number line. This is 2 and this is 3. Now the number is 2.665. So that will be between 2 and 3. So how will I represent 2 and 3? I will be having always these 10 dividation of this line. Okay. So I will be having this mid here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now how will it become? 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5, 2.6, 2.7, 2.8, 2.9 and 3.0, that means 3. Okay. Now the number comes 2 points. The number was what? In between somewhere here, between 2 and 3. I don't know where, but it was something like here. Now if I will come with this 2.6, 2.6 it is. 2.66 is greater than, it is 2.665, which is greater than 2.6, but or should I write it here first? Here it was 2.665, which is greater than 2 but less than 3. Now here it is 2.665, which is greater than 2.6 but less than 2.7. So the number lies somewhere here. After this but before this. Now this is the boundary I have to work on. So okay, simply I will just magnify that thing. Okay, so I will just picking the part of this number line containing first 2.6 and 2.7. Okay, now after 2.6 I will be getting 2.61, then I will be getting 2.62, then 2.63, 2.64 and then I will be stopping at 2.7. Okay, this is the mid. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 and this is 5, then 6, 7, 8, 9 and this is the 10th partition. So that will be 2.61, isn't it? Then that will be 2.62, 2.63, 2.64, 2.65, 2.66, 2.67, 2.68, 2.69 and then 2.7, okay, and then 2.7 here. So okay, okay. Now I am getting this 2.665. Now I am having this 2.665, 2.665. Now where it lies? It will lie after 2.66. Okay, but it will become, because there is something digit after that, so that will come between 2.66 and 2.67. It will come between them. Okay, so what will I do? Just simply mentioning it, 2.66 and 2.67. So this is the boundary of research now, 2.66 and 2.67. 2.66 it is here. So 2.66 and 2.67, these are the two boundaries. So now again the number line. Okay, now having this 2.66 here and 2.67 here. Okay, now this is something the mid. I am having this 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I will be writing like 2.661, 2.662, okay, then 2.663, 2.664, 2.665, 2.666, 2.667, 2.668, 2.669 and then 2.67. This is I am having. Now the number is 2.665. That means this is the number on my number line I was looking for. Understood this thing? I have just this 0, 1, 2, 3 simple number line and I just magnified it to 2 and 3 and then I magnified it 2.6 to 2.7 and then I magnified it 2.66 and 2.67. Why these three steps? Why these three steps here after that? Because I am having these 3 decimals after this 2. I am having 3 decimals, so I have to take it like 3 times over there. Note this and we will do some more examples, students. Note it out completely. Okay. So we have taken out a very simple example. Why so simple? Because students, this number is simply terminating one. Terminating ones are very simple to handle. So again now next question is, okay, so this is our next question, 5.37 bar. Now it is having a bar over there over 7, so that will be 5.37777777 and so on 7. So basically 7 is going to repeat and repeat and repeat. So now you will be wondering that how we will be going to represent it on number line. Let us see, we are here to tell you that how you are going to do this particular question. So this is our small beautiful number line. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You know the countings or not? Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. Now students, you are having your pencil and scale, so do it with proper proportion. Don't just having a random line. You just have to make a straight line and divide it particularly in equal 10 parts. Like if you are having your scale, so use your scale, because using scale is what you can do to have good marks. Okay, so basically this scale is something like this and it is marking like from 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So just have that particular line, straight line with the help of scale, and then mark these points like these points as 1, 2, 3. So this length will be equals to this 1 centimeter. Okay, you can do this, or else you can say that this particular one partition you can take as 2 centimeter or something like that. But that all, if you are taking this as 2 centimeter, will be also in 2 centimeter, that will be also 2 centimeter. So that will be, there will be a similarity when you will be doing like this. Okay, so this is something how you are going to do it in your copy. Okay, you are not just allowed to freehand you are drawing a line and just randomly putting these marks. No, you are not allowed. Okay, now if I am talking about this 5.377, so this 5.37 and this bar, okay, this lies between 5 and 6 for sure. This is more than 5 and less than 6. So this will be the partition where it will lie. Okay, this will lie somewhere between here. So that will be your 5 and that will be your 6. So the mid is here, so that will be 5.5. Simply 5.1, 5.2, 5.3, 5.4, 5.6, 5.7, 5.8, 5.9 and the 6 here. Now you are having this 5.37 bar again. So 5.37 bar. Now this will lie between 5.3 and 5.4 sure. For sure that will lie between them. So this is 5.3 and this is 5.4. So now this will be getting expanded like this. Now at this end you will be having 5.3 and 5.4. Now you have to divide this line in equal 10 parts. So the mid will be termed as 5.3.5. Okay, you will be having 1, 2, 3 and sorry, these are not equal. Okay, so that will be 1, 2, 3 and 4, right. Okay, so that will be 5.31, 5.32, 5.33, 5.34. Okay, after that it will be 5.36, 5.37, 5.38 and then 5.39 and then 5.4. Now the number lies this 5.377 and so on will lie somewhere between 5.37 and 5.38. 5.37 and 5.38. So 5.37 here and 5.38 is here. So that will lie somewhere between this and this. Okay. So I will be marking this line again, and at this extreme end I will be having 5.37 and here I will be having 5.38. Now meanwhile I am having this mid here. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 and 4 here and 1, 2, 3. One, 2, 3 and 4 here. Okay, so now I'll be having this 5.371, 5.372, 5.373, 5.3, 5.373, 5.374, 5.375, 5.376, 5.377, 5.388, 5.399 and then where it became wrong. Okay, after this 5.377 there will be 5.378 and there will be 5.379. There will be 5.38 after that. So now student, this 5.3777 will be now lying between, in which part will it lie? 5.377 and 5.378. This will be the part that needs to be magnified. Okay, so that will be lying between 5.377 okay and 5.378. 7, 8. Now student, this process is not going to stop because 7 is not going to stop repeating itself. That means this process will continue, will just end up increasing the digits here. That will be 5.37 here, then 5.377 to 5.378 here, something like that, or just 5.3, last margin we are taken 5.37 to 5.38. After that we will be taking 5.377 to 5.378, then we will be taking 5.3777 and 5.3778, and this process will be repeating itself on and on and on. So that means this is not going to stop. Okay, so we can just go through 1, 2 or 3 step, and then can, now we are sure that somewhere between this, something like this, something here the value will lie, but where we do not know particular point, exact point where the value lies. Now the question, how will the question arrive, because this is not a good solution, simply you can say this. So how will we solve the question if it comes? Okay, so you are not supposed to have question like this that represent this, but you will be having a question of another category. How? So just note it and we will talk about it. Noted? Okay. So students, this is visualize 3.3, 3.765 on the number line. Now you have to do it on your own. Okay. The next one I am talking about, visualize 4.26 bar on the number line up to 4 decimal, places. That means 4 decimal places, that means you have to visualize 0.26 bar. Let's suppose I'm confusing a little bit, it's 26 complete bar or 26 bar. Okay, so whatever it is, if this bar is only at 6, then I'll be writing is like 0. How many places? Up to 4 decimal places. So 1 decimal, 2 decimal, 3 decimal and 4 decimal. So I have to represent it only 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 decimal places. So I don't have to represent 0 or 4.266666 and so on, but I have to only represent 4.666. This I have to represent on number line. So we will be talking about this like this one, but not in this lecture. In our next lecture we are going to sort it out, and again we are going to visualize that particular question. I have told you, I just skipped. Right, this number will be visualized and this number will be visualized in our next lecture. What you have to do, pick some AriserTalent sheets and have some good questions on that, and keep studying and keep enjoying your life, students. Bye bye.